Hi friends, today we are going to make fish cutlet. So let's get started. To a pressure cooker, take some fish. I have taken here tuna. Add some water and cook it. Transfer it to a bowl. To that, add 1 teaspoon salt and turmeric powder each. I have taken here 2 large boiled potatoes. Smash them well. To that, add 3 finely chopped onions. 1 teaspoon garam masala and pepper powder each. Some coriander leaves. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 2 finely chopped green chilies. Add our cooked fish. Mix them well. Make flat patties out of it. To a frying pan, add some oil for frying. Coat our patties in breadcrumbs and then dip in beaten egg. Then again on our breadcrumbs. Fry them on medium flame. Coat rest of the patties with beaten egg and breadcrumbs. Flip them when it turns golden brown. When both sides turn golden brown, it's ready to serve. If you like this easy tea snack, please don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it fastly.